Okay, that might be a little better. Let's go with that. It's really difficult when I can't really hear myself. Alright. Oh, there we go. Listen, I'm not tech savvy or nothing like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop into it. You are here to learn a little bit more about the KOF strategy, along with trading with the moving averages. So, before this video started, I basically put in a sell trade here, and I am expecting for it to drop back down here. Could happen, could not happen, who knows? But I'm trying to stick to the strategy that I know. However, the market does what it wants to do, and it does, go against what you think it's going to do at times. So with that being said, if it does end up going out where I think it should be, I'll end up cutting my losses. As simple as that. So, and I don't like what that is doing. But as long as it stays in this zone for now, maybe come up here and test it and reject. And as long as it does that, I'll be alright with it. But keep looking up. This is my 5-minute chart. My 15-minute chart. I'm trying to see what's happening over here. We have rejection here. This is more so an uptrend. You want to be aware of your trend. You want to be aware of your trend to see where it's going. Alright. It's been respecting the zone here on the 1-hour chart. And since it has, I'll be mindful of this 1-hour chart to see what happens. But back down to my 1-minute chart. Cutting my losses and put in buy trades. Again, this is the KOF strategy. I work off of the 9 EMA, 20, 50, 200, 500 is there sometimes, volume box, and the 20 EMA in the volume box. Alright, so, and I'll explain the setup of that a little bit later. But I'm trying to look at this trade and see what it does. So I can kind of walk you through the process of how I trade this. Okay. We got 26 seconds left on this candle. I'm trying to reject this area and go up. Yet, it's closing within the same zone. Excuse me. Keep looking, keep watching, see what it does. Don't close prematurely. By the way, I'm logged into the other account. I just noticed that, so I'll probably be checking it out in a second. Because you want to have enough cushion to draw down. I put in a 0.10 size lot, thinking that this was a $1,000 account, but it's not. So, yep, I'm gonna go ahead and let me see. Yep, all those rejection. So, what is an acceptable amount of money that I am willing to lose on this trade? $10. We're still sitting in this zone, so I ain't trying to do too much. I'm trying to see what's up. I'm letting this here dictate my area that I'm looking for to see if it closes above it. If it closes above it, I'm gonna watch that next candle very closely to see what it does. But it's playing games right now, as Forex does. It's playing games. I'm looking for this to drop. Looking for the price to drop. Ooh, the camera just go. respecting the zone just like it did over here, and we may end up going down. That's what we want to see. I have a couple of people that wanted to know when I was going live. I have my one favorite viewer in the channel right now. I appreciate you. This is looking like a bullish pennant pattern to me. So, yep, gonna have to. I should have waited because this is still closed within my zone. Psychology of Forex, but we can still take off. I think we're gonna end up going bullish. Trying to wait. But anyway, this is looking like a bullish pennant pattern. What is a bullish pennant pattern? It is going up, and then it is kind of heading down, and then hopefully it goes up and put me in profit. See, another thing I need to mention, putting your support and resistance levels. Look what it is doing right now. It's trying to play me to the left. Forgot to mention this. Because although it may respect their zone, it still may be trying to ride up to that key area there, and just bounce off of that and ride down. So like I said, I'm gonna monitor this one on myself, and I'm gonna try to switch over to the other account that I wanted to use. Right back to this chart and see what it does, but we're hoping for it to take off. So I'm trying to play it to the left. I'm gonna show you and let you see both the good and the bads of my decisions with this KOF strategy. So far, we're looking all right. Messed that up. Do it again. Crap. But look what happened. I don't know what happened there, because that should have been a win. I don't know whether it was a win or not, but that should have been a win. Wait, let me go to my phone and make sure it's closed out, because I just close it out. Alright, so we can go ahead over to the other one. I will say this, the candle went where we wanted it to go. Started heading up, so that's good. And I would have took my profit. Over here, invalid account. Let me get this right, guys. Let me get this right. Sorry for the delay, but we gonna get it popping up in here. And you can choose to either take some of these trades with me, is a prior resistance level. So, like I said, this candle could be planted to the left. It wicks up here, it can end up closing here, or it can close up there. Ooh. Trying to close up here. Ooh. That may just shoot up. By the way, I happen to sell because I'm thinking that it's going to drop and come down. Like I was going back to KOF saying, I would have put in a sell here because it all crossed 200 moving averages. Crossed it, sell some more. Wait till it got all the way down, took my profits here, and then potentially bought back to the 9. But it depends on your spread though. Look at this spread. I would have been concerned about doing that right here, being that the spread looks like it looks. Look at that, my zone just went away. So there might be a telltale sign for me that this is going higher or not. But I'm trying to stick to my guns because psychology is important. As I stated before, this is one resistance, another resistance, and then another resistance. I think it's just playing around over here, trying to get you to close out the trade. Stick to my guns. Sell on this. So yeah, I would have closed out here and then let it go and do its thing on this. Would have came here, respected this area, would have dropped. I still would have been like, I don't know. It came back, and then once it came here and opened up this candle, the way that I trade would have put in another sell, and it would have ended up coming out here to this next level. I would have looked, if I didn't have that on that particular indicator on that shows me the levels, I would have just looked to my 5-year chart. I would have looked to my left to see where that area was going to be. Where we talking about right so basically, like right here, this is why I'm looking for this looking for my sell price to come all the way down to the 200, but above it based off of the price action. By looking for my rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. I was like, okay, we're gonna ride this battery back down. I also looked at my 4-hour chart. I saw resistance here, here, here. This has to come back down. It's playing games because it goes up and down all day, but it has to come back down. So, ooh, my battery just died on my camera. So we're gonna keep going. Original KOF is to buy away from the 9 EMA and ride it back to the 9. That's the original KOF. KOF 2.0 is selling with the trend or buying with the trend in an uptrend. If it's in a downtrend, you sell with it. And you notice all this space here, just sell until it gets furthest away. This may scare you out and you may end up closing here. As long as you're in a profit, it don't matter. Don't be greedy, take your profit and get out. Or you could have kept it in and wait till it got down to the next area of resistance, looking to your left. And sometimes you have to move up to your next time frame to see where that left is if you don't have an indicator that shows you that. I am using Richard's price action indicator for support and resistance, so it kind of sets it up for me. So I really like that. Over here we still playing games. We are in a consolidation period here, so this is what I'm gonna do. My trade is already in, but I would not advise anybody to get in the trade where you are consolidating. Don't do it. So here's gonna play all day. It's gonna do either a drop or a rise. We don't know. But one thing I did do and KOF tells me to do is to sell in a downtrend. When we come close to the moving averages again, I sell. So that's where you see myself. I'm just waiting on it to drop enough to put me in profit. Then I can get out of it. In the back of my head, I already know how much I'm willing to lose on this trend. I mean, on this sell as well. So I say right now $10. But I know me, I'll go ahead and add another 10 to that. Don't do that. That's bad practice. Stick to your amount and just let it go. Okay. We'll come back to that. Oh, so while I'm at it, let me explain the volume bar. So down here, you put in your volume bar, and that's just going over here and grabbing the volume. Grab it over here and just okay. Leave it as is. Everything can stay the same. And then you also want to go over here, not up here, but go over here to grab your moving average. Bam, do that. This would be a 20 simple moving average that you will apply to the previous indicators data. Whatever color you like, I have blue. Yeah, but you gotta drag it over here for that to work, which is fine. So let me show you something. When you started getting in a heavy trend here, you saw the bars going up above this 20 something moving average. That's kind of giving you an idea that you're in a heavy trend. Look all those. Bam, bam, bam. Now, it started to weaken out, letting you know that you was coming to an end. And then it picked back up again. And now we still got a lot of pressure, a lot of volume. We got buyers and sellers fighting right here. Fighting for their life. They fighting a little bit. I'm looking for these bars to continue to fade out and just let it drop. Like, stop fighting us, buyers. Stop fighting us. Let it drop. So we'll see what happens. We'll see if we made the right call on that. It's looking good over here on the 5-minute chart. Because right now it's just respecting the zone, the first zone. Still sitting on that 9 EMA. This is where we wanted to go, right here. Let's see, we can change that to a different color to not confuse ourselves. Let's make it purple. And I'll be darned. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? I need that to keep dropping. Keep dropping. Oh, don't come up. Don't come up. Respect it and come on down. It's time to get out this trade and put us in profit. Like I said, don't be greedy. Get your profit when you can get it and get out. Look at my bars. They have fallen beneath the 20 simple moving average. It's trying to drop for me, y'all. It's trying to show me love. Come on. 'Cause I gotta go. You can call me gotta go too. There we go. We in there. Come on down. Come on down to this level I said you was gonna come down. Do that for me. Drop it like it's hot. Come on and come down. Come down to here. Make sure I got that at a good level. Like I said, you look to your right. Resistance, resistance, resistance. What did it touch? Various times. Right here. Stop trying to scare people and come on down and drop it like it's hot. Y'all see this bar trying to go back up? We need that the next one to be red. So basically, when you have the green bar after the red, that means you got momentum, more momentum after the previous bar. This is red. It is less than, so it's red. This is green. So this pressure is gonna fall beneath the one before. Is gonna be red. It's gonna stay red. If we gain more traction, it's gonna turn green and go above it. So we're hoping this go down. Again, I typically work between the 1, the 5, and the 15 charts. I will look to the 4 to see where my overall trend is. If we are in a range motion, I might not even do it, or I might do it. I might just, mark off the top and the bottom and scalp in between. I am a scalper. So, we're looking for this bad baby to still drop down in here. That's what I'm looking for. This is KOF. This is KOF 2.0. Like I said, initial KOF, you buy back to the 9. Sometimes it goes to the 20. Sometimes it goes to the 50. Get your profit, get out. KOF 2.0 is what I call it. You sell at the you sell at the moving averages back at the 9 and ride it back. As you can see, could have been in profit over here. I think that's when I put in my sell over here somewhere. Anywho, I'm looking for it to go here, because when I look to my left, this is what I saw, and I'm hoping it go ahead and drop down so I can get you guys on about your way and get my point across for this video. Come on down, baby. You will notice I do have the Jeremy Cash indicator scanner up here on my chart, and it sends me signals. Right now it's telling me a preparatory sell. Lies. That was 20 minutes ago. So we'll see if it dropped another one. Hopefully this is a fluke and it retraces and comes back down, because this is still the zone of resistance here. All of this, but it could play us to the left in reverse. This is the 200. So let's go look at GPD USD while we're waiting. Let's see what that got going on. First thing I do is look to my left and see all this resistance. I see resistance here, resistance here. Will that be a sell? No. I would have said no. Let's look at this. This bar is above the 20 simple moving average. That's just playing games. That's going up. I can assure you that is going up. Where is it going? It's probably gonna go to this level up here, and turn around and go back. So we'll see about that. You gotta be mindful of those spreads. Right now, that's a good spread though. Let's see what am I doing? That's a good spread. You can put in the buy and make your profit up here. But this is what you need in KOF. All these moving averages are crossing. Look to your left. It's still gonna go up. It's gonna go up to here at the very least. May even go beyond it. Look at these crosses and then all of this space in between. Closed out here. Even if it does decide to range here, it's ranging from here. It will be ranging from here to here, or the latest lower level. So right here to here. But I'm thinking this is gonna go here. You need to halt around a little bit. I think you wanna go there. Keep going. Let's pull it out. Still shaking and jiving. You guys to come down. You know, check it over here. And check it all through here. You gotta go down. So just let you play around with yourself. Alright, let's look at this one and see what it's doing. Next level is up here. So it's gonna come up here, act funny, halt a little bit, and then go up here. In fact, it's gonna halt and play around here too before it goes there. So let's go back and dive in. Right past it. Let's look higher and see how that's looking. Daytime frame, we got 4 hours left on that one. That's gonna go up to about this. We'll do what I said we're gonna do. What are you doing? You're gonna play around and drop a little bit. Then go back up. Let's see. We got 10 seconds left. The purple line is the line that I put. Okay, there it go. It just hit it. 3 seconds. Ooh, it's trying to bust through it. You know, come on. You gotta come back just a little bit. This is where you're gonna play around with a spread candle. There you go. Just like I said, it hit that line and it's gonna play around, make you think that it's gonna sail because looking to the left. And it may sell, come back to the 9, that is KOF, right here on the line that I said, but the intent is still going to be for it to go higher, and we know that by looking up here, seeing all these levels that it has not hit yet. Right now it's sitting on this level over here, and if you want to really be particular, sitting at this level, right to the left. Let's go closer. Right there. See how it stopped and halted? Now, what is it going to do now? It's either going to do like its cousin and fall back. No matter what, we'll be safe with putting in the buy somewhere in here. But watch what it does. Will it start to respect this non-moving average? Look at this resistance. We got 46, 45, 44 seconds left in this candle. will it just take off? Go back. I want to put in the buy so bad. I really do. And I do because I know that it's going to go here. I know it's going to go here. You'll be safe to go ahead and throw in your buy. Especially if this bad baby close up here. Bitcoin over here still playing. What you playing for, Bitcoin? Oh, they trying to get serious with me, huh? They said they might teach you a lesson. That's fine. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna do. Let me move this out. It's still near that zone right there. Playing around. We're gonna wait. This one is a buy. Believe that. And let me move that line that I had. That's where it's gonna go. Let's see if I can make that thicker. Have your rules before you start. I'm trying to maintain discipline and not buy outside of different charts. As you can see, that is a buy opportunity. That is going for that purple line that I put up there. I know it is. But I'm not going to do it. Even if I take a loss over here, I'm not going to do it because I'm trying not to trade on various charts at one time. Choose one chart and let it be done. That has to drop. I mean, we got rejection here, here. Come on, you gotta come down. Just put me in profit enough so I can get over here. This one, look at that. They don't went past this. It's getting ready to go past all this. And it's gonna head up here to this number. I would tell you to put in the buy, but I ain't gonna tell you what to do. Just saying. I just can't do it. Let me know. Put in the chat box. Tell me if you're gonna put in the buy or not. That's playing around. It's trying to play to the left. That is going up. Why is that going up? That's the 5-minute chart. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Look at this, y'all. It crossed all of these moving averages. Closed outside of this 9. All this space in between. Respect this 9. Respect this 9. Respect this 9. This is a zone here. This is a key zone. This is a resistance. Not a key level, but a resistance level. Look to the left. It's stopping right here, playing around. This needs to go green and go higher than that and show us that the buyers are in, the buyers above. The buyers above this 20 simple moving average. Excuse me, 1 second left for this candle. It closed above it. Okay, it's playing. I need to go higher. This need to come higher. Let's go back over here. 5-minute chart. It's gonna respect this area. It's gonna end up going off. Let's go check on our Bitcoin. We'll be back. Bitcoin over here is still shucking and jiving. Look at it. Don't be over here trying to respect this 9 and this 20. You have a job to do. You still gotta drop it like it's hot. You still have to. I'm counting on you. Box over because it's still going around. Consolidating. Let's go back to GBP USD. Okay. KOF. I guess it took the original KOF and respected it. But it's not over. Like I said, it may do this range thing from here to here to here. might be in some drawdown if you took that buy, but you're gonna go back up. Let's look to the 5-minute chart and see what it's trying to respect. We still got 2 minutes left on this chart. Still on the trend line. It's always jumping around, acting funny. So it should respect this trend line and keep taking off. We know, like I said, so we already in this level actually. Looking at the 4-minute chart, but it's still gonna go up. Look at this one uptrend across the levels. Look across this 200. Above the 200, you typically buy. Right there. It's going higher. Now tell me why my little trend line moved. Did it move? Okay. But it's cool. We'll let it sit there. Let's go back to our Bitcoin chart. It want to come down so bad. New chart, new candle just formed. Let's see if it drop all the way down. And sometimes you gotta pull that thing out to see what it's doing. Price action. See how all those levels are marked? That's the first thing you need to do. And you need to understand what trend you're in. Understand also your plan. What plan will you use? Will you be a scalper today? Are you looking for ranges? Are you looking for continuations? Are you looking for trends? Still in this window, so I'm not, it plays too much. It still could be ranging. We'll see. I'm still trying to get it to come down here, or at least put me in the pocket. I'll be happy. So let's go back to GBP USD and see what it's doing. Still playing around. Pull it out a little bit. Okay. We're still respecting this trend line. Just threw it on there, but we still paying attention to our areas value. We just disrespected the first, the second. We need that to go back up and close in the second area, then ride back up. That's what we needed to respect this trend line and keep going higher, because you are in the trend bag, baby. Don't forget that. We just wanted to come here. That's all we want. But at the same time, looking to the left, what do we see? If it breaks past this, I don't know, there's something to consider. Changing things up. But anywho, back to our Bitcoin. We're still looking for that to drop. it breaks through this, I will be happy. Because then I know for sure it's coming down here. But I already feel that way anyways. Again, this is KOF. I sold at these lines here, expecting for it to go down. Looking at this resistance, then it made this resistance. There should be some pressure. Look at our bars at the bottom. You're almost in profit. But I'm hard-headed and don't want to hop out. So let me see what that looks like. 5-minute chart. Look at it. Just go up here to look for confluence, to see what it's doing up here. I'm still waiting on it to drop to the level that I think it will. Maybe I should pull it up to here. It's important to look to your left to see what it's gonna do. All right, we made it, but will it close above it and try to go back up? We in the zone. Get in the zone, auto zone. Nah, we're in the zone. We got 4 seconds left. Will it reject and go back? Or are we good? I just need to close outside this. If it closes outside of this, I know it's gonna head to where I said it was gonna head. I'm in profit. I should be taking this. But I should take that. Look at all this space, y'all. Just trying to respect this line. I'm gonna get to go on. Let's go look at the GBP, USD, see what that did. What we said? We said that we're gonna go up. Let's go with that. Respecting this trend line, isn't it? Rejection. Let's go back to Bitcoin.
I know, I don't belong here, not in this sea of serenity.
Need to keep going now. If you're curious, this is the price action from Richard. I think his name Richard Price? No? Richard. I don't know his last name right now, but this is his indicator. So this may come up, I'm thinking, and bounce against this non-EMA and go back down. I'm hoping that's all that it does, because I don't want to really wait that long for it to get here. But that's where I'm hoping it will go. Although it has rejected here in the past, so if it doesn't, I understand. I honestly probably should roll out with my profits, because this is an uptrend, don't get it twisted. So, but I'm a little hard. I just want to see if it's going to come down here like I want it to, like I think it's going to come. Not because of what I'm feeling, but because of price action, market structure. That's what I'm trying to pay attention to. So, we're still respecting this non-EMA. But it could have played me to the left a little bit. Say, hey, nah, we're gonna do this. But even if it does go back, I think it's just going back. It's gonna go up because it's gonna do some type of resistance here. This is where you see your pullback. Alright, stand by. Let me take this quick call real quick. That didn't take long. I'm back. I'm sorry about that. Hopefully y'all didn't hear that conversation. Try to put it on mute. And then Jeremy Cash, his scanner is saying preparatory buy, valid buy. He wants me to get out this trade. Look at it up here. But I prefer to look at market structure and price action along with KOF. Nothing bad about J Cash scanner, because it does work, but you gotta pay attention to all these other factors and not just depend on it. So, with that being said, I'm looking for this to drop down here. I'm hoping that it does. But it could very well do the opposite. He may know a little something. He may know a little thing or two. But, 1 second. What is this candle getting ready to do? Drop down? Get your eagle on, girl? Or what? You gonna drop down and get your eagle on? Give me some profits? Let's go back and look at GDP. Oh, they're playing. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Ooh, okay. The 5-minute chart is trying to respect this area here. Acting like it don't want to go here. It's a reason why Richard got this box set up here. I'm still in profit. I could take profit. Yeah, I get the point I'm trying to. Oh, what happened? I don't like that now. See, that's that BS. Did y'all see that? That thing just hopped out on his own. I'm still looking for it to come down here, because I believe in market structure. Excuse me. I understand it playing around, and it's playing around because of the resistance here. It's going to halt here, because if you look to the left, look, bam, it's going to halt around that area. But we're looking for this bad boy to drop here. Come on, baby. Let me get close. Nah, let me back up. Do I have my take profit? Yeah, I think my take profit is there. I would zoom in. Y'all want me to zoom in? If you do, tell me. Okay, we're getting close. We're not quite there yet. I'm looking for it to drop in here and hit this line. Still got all this space and opportunity for respect here. There it is, just like I thought. It's gonna end up going there because it's gonna try to show off and another area of resistance. Let's see, and try to ride that down. But anyway, I ain't none of my business right now. Okay, this is my business. Got 10 seconds left. Depends on what this candle does, whether I close out on it. Because if posture is king. If you're just joining, KOF is what we use. KOF original strategy is buy away. Whenever the price get away from the EMA, buy back. Bam, in profit. Buy back. In profit. Bam. Buy back. Profit. Bam. Buy back. Profit. Bam. You really don't want to trade though when it's looking like this in consolidation. When all those candles are squished together like that, you want space like this. That. This is nice. That V. That's nice, but just know, as hard as it dropped, is as hard as it's gonna come back. Alright, let me go down here and see what they're doing. They're trying to play around with my money. Respected it. Really though, it was respecting that first area, first line, and then it went to respecting the first area. And let me go ahead and dig in there real quick. We almost at our perfect. I think y'all get the point. Original KOF, buy back to the 9. Buy back to the 9. Price is now beneath the 200. Sale as soon as it closes. What you expect? Stay in the trade until it stops. I don't know where it's gonna stop. Even if you don't know here, you can always move up to the 5-minute chart. That's the whole point. back.
Today.
All right. So where are we? I need you to still close